In this video, I'm going to show you 3 banks that are approving brand new businesses for 0% interest business credit cards for 18 months. And the best part is they do not require you to open a business checking account. You can process these applications online from the comfort of your own home. And of course, these business credit cards do not report to your personal credit report. And with just one of these banks, I'm going to show you exactly how to stack 3 of these cards back to back for up to $50,000 limits, 0% interest for 18 months, just like we do for our clients, even with no revenue and no proof of income. Let me show you exactly how. And no, I'm not talking about net 30 vendor credits, store cards, fuel cards, or any of that business credit building trash that takes 2 years to build and get you approved for a $500 store card you're never going to use. I'm talking real, spendable, 0% interest bank cash credit. Money you can use for real estate investing, marketing, inventory, payroll, or even buying other businesses or starting a franchise, whatever your business needs. And because these do not report to your personal credits, your personal utilization will remain untouched. Your FICO scores will stay high. Welcome back to the Credit with Colin channel, where we talk about how to leverage your credit to maximize business funding. I'm an 8-year United States Marine Corps veteran who runs a real funding company with 25 plus employees. We presently fund about $5 million a month in approvals for our clients. Links to work with my team to fix your credit or get access to 100K plus in business funding are in the pinned comment and description below, as well as the link to join our school community. When you join our school community, you get a personalized funding plan from me, myself, not AI, and hard inquiry removal on all 3 bureaus done for you from my team. Let's get into it. Guys, be sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment down below. We never post anything we haven't done ourselves. We have all these real approvals. We're a real funding company. We're not some YouTuber regurgitating BS information. We're only sharing things that we've done for ourselves and our clients here. So let me explain why brand new businesses with 0 revenue can still get approved for these cards. The vast majority, and I'm talking over 95% of business credit card applications are stated income. That means no bank statements, no P&Ls, no tax returns, no pay stubs. They just take your word for it and they run a credit check. Now, most banks let you use a reasonable projection for your revenue. So if the average business in your industry, let's say landscaping company that you plan on starting, makes $50K a month, it's not unreasonable to project that you'd make $150K in your first year. Now, the reason the bank can approve you on a brand new LLC is simple. You are personally guaranteeing the card with good personal credit scores. All business credit cards require a personal guarantee. You're not going to get around it. Which brings me to one of the first things you have to have handled. To get approved for real bank-issued business credit cards, term loans, lines of credit, you want to have a 680 plus FICO score, utilization below 30%, and no fresh derogatories or negative marks dragging you down. Basically, a clean credit report. You've got to show the banks you're responsible and worthy of lending to. If you're not there yet, don't worry. It's fixable. The link to work with our team to fix your credit is in the pinned comment below. Now, I want everybody watching this to set a goal. Your goals determine your direction in life. Everybody should set a goal to be a 730 plus credit score. So the banks will lend to you and approve you basically all the time. When you join our school community, you get a personal funding plan and you get hard inquiry removal on all 3 bureaus. That'll get you to that 730 plus and more. Now, real quick, if you haven't formed your LLC, do it. It takes 5 minutes on websites like busy.com, and you just pay the state fee. Now, stay away from risky names. You don't want trucking, capital, lending, credit, real estate, investments, crypto, cannabis. You want a neutral, broad name like ventures, consulting, enterprises, group, global. Then head over to irs.gov on Monday through Friday and get your EIN letter. This is your social security number for your business. Now you're ready to apply for business credit. Right, this one is the first bank. It's a big one, and it's a bank most people never heard of. It's Elan Financial, and that's on purpose because Elan doesn't put him on the front of the card. Elan is a third-party credit card issuer that over 1,300 financial institutions actually white label and use, meaning the bank puts its own logo on front, but Elan Financial Services is the actual lender. So this is why this is important. Elan's business credit cards are 0% interest for 18 months. It pulls TransUnion, and it doesn't report to your personal credit. We're getting approved for up to $50K per card for our clients right now. But here's the stacking secret. Because so many different banks issue the same Elan card, you could apply for 3 of them back to back, but for best results, you just have to get them from 3 different institutions that all white label Elan. So it's the same card provider, but it's 3 different banks and up to $50K each. That's how you get $100K plus 0% interest for 18 months from a single credit card issuer. So how do you find 3 land banks in your state? Let me show you exactly how. You're going to want to pull up Bank Branch Locator and navigate to your state. Let's say you're in Florida, and you're going to see the top 50 banks in your state. Now, what you have to do is go to their website, go to their business credit card, and see in the fine print at the bottom of the page of the disclosure, it will say These cards are provided by Elan Financial, right? Or you'll see right here, I'll give you a hint. South States is one of them. Capital City Bank and Ameris Bank in Florida are three of them, right? When you go to Ameris Bank's business credit cards on their website and you click choose a credit card, you are leaving Ameris Bank's website, click continue, and it will take you to mycardapply.com. This is the Land Financial's website, and you'll see Ameris Bank white labels their cards. You can click business, and you could apply for a 0% interest for 18 months business credit card. You could apply online, no business checking account needed. Simple 2-page application with your personal information, everything you should know, your name, date of birth, address, etc., your income, and your business information, business name, business start date, business revenue, etc. Now, finding the different Elan links in your state can be a little bit tedious. So we actually have a list of over 1,300 different branches, and it's available in our school community. We've already done the legwork. So if you're ready to find that right away, you don't want to waste any time, join the school in the pinned comment below, and you will get access to the funding plan, hard inquiry removals, and all of the different Elan links that you need to run this play. The second 0% for 18 months business credit card that you could apply online with no checking account is going to be Flagstar. And almost nobody's talking about this, but it's provided by FNDO. But when you apply through Flagstar, it's available in all 50 states completely online. It pulls the Experian Bureau, which is easy to wipe off as well. And then again, 0% interest for 18 months. The typical approvals we're seeing around $14K per card. Now, it's not the biggest limit on the list, but it's 18 months of 0%. It's online. You don't have to open the checking account. Stacks nicely with Elan because they're pulling from different bureaus. And again, if you want help in our school community, we actually offer support specialists that can help you process these applications as well. You'll see right here on their website, they have a 0% for 12 months card. They also have a 0% for 18 months card that you could apply for completely online. Now, the third card I'm going to share with you is a little bit newer. It is the US Bank card that they just came out with, and that is going to be the Business Visa Shield card. And yes, US Bank owns Elan, but while they're connected, we're still getting approvals from both institutions. So don't let anybody tell you that you can only get one. The Business Shield card pulls from TransUnion, and here's something to know. US Bank is inquiry sensitive. So even though I saved it for last in this video, strategically, you typically want to apply with US Bank first. Having just one or two recent hard inquiries into TransUnion can lead to a denial with US Bank. Now, on the application, it's actually only 0% for 12 months if you apply online. If you apply in person, it is 0% interest for 18 months. Our relationship managers have confirmed this. So it's worth the trip to get an additional 6 months of 0% interest, in my opinion. Here's where US Bank is really strong. If you have a business relationship manager at the bank, or you already have a high credit card limit with another business credit card, let's say a 50K Chase business card, you can request that US Bank will match your existing limit. You just provide your business credit card statement showing that 50K limit with Chase Bank, etc. And we've gotten clients, US Bank cards, bumped from 15, 20K approvals all the way to $50,000. If you want to apply with one of our relationship managers, we can work directly with you as well. A link to work with our team to get 100K plus in funding is in a pinned comment. Now, a couple tips that apply to all three of these cards. Number one, if you ever get denied, don't panic. Always call the reconsideration line. Half the time, they literally just need your EIN letter or to verify your info, right? And everything is negotiable. Number two, if you get approved for a limit that's smaller than you wanted, before you activate the card, you call the number on the back of the card and tell them the business limit is not even worth it. You're not even going to activate the card. You're going to take your business elsewhere, go to another bank, because you need so much more for your marketing budget, for payroll, etc. And we regularly get clients bumped from 3K, 5K to 15 to 20K. And number three, remember the sequencing. US Bank typically first because it's an inquiry sensitive bank. Then you stack Elan, and then you can run Flagstar whenever because it pulls Experian. All right, guys, here's your recap. 3 banks, all 0% interest for 18 months. All of them do not report to your personal credits. There's no business checking account required, and you could apply for these online. Elan Financial pulls TransUnion. FNBO Flagstar pulls Experian, and US Bank pulling TransUnion. You could stack all of these and get anywhere between 50 to 100K plus 0% interest for 18 months. Go ahead and screenshot this now if you'd like. Do this in the right order, and that's real spendable 0% funding on a brand new LLC. You can invest in real estate. You can start a business, buy a business. There's so many things you could do with this. All right, guys, that wraps it up. If you got value out of this, and I know you did, don't be a mouth breather. Smash that like button and be sure to subscribe, because this is insider info from thousands of applications of my clients and my team that we're funding, and we got so much more coming on the way. As always, guys, links to work with our team to fix your credit or get 100K plus in funding are in the pinned comment description below, as well as the link to join the school community, get a personal funding plan from me, our list of 1,300 Elan banks, and hard inquiry removal on all 3 bureaus. It's Credit with Colin. God bless you. God bless your family, and God bless America. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.